I built the trading system. I call it Momentum Swing Score. I know it works. This channel is my public proof. Every trade documented live from entry to exit. No editing history, no hidden losses. Just the record. Watch me prove it and you will be the witness. Everything is on this channel, educational purposes only. This is paper trading. Please always do your own research. So I entered Netflix on July 7 at $76.15, 300 shares, and my first price target was $82.40. And there is a strong support at $70. My momentum swing score was 75 out of 100. Today, July 16, and the big days is arrive. And after the market close, we will find out Netflix Q2 earnings. When I entered this trade, I said I would exit before earning. That was the rule. Today, I am breaking that rule and I am going to tell you exactly why with data and not emotion. So why I am holding through the earnings? I made this decision on 3 specific signals. Not hope, not guessing, 3 data points. Signal 1, put and call ratio. There is a 0.46 current Netflix put and call ratio. This is very bullish signal. What does that mean? That means for every 46 put options, bets that the stock goes down, and there are 100 call options, bets that the stock goes up. So this is very strong bullish position at that moment. And the smart money and option market is positioned for upside going into today. Signal 2, Netflix beat Q1 earnings significantly. If you can see it here, it surprises almost 61.21% in the Q1. And usually companies that beat big in the Q1 often carry momentum in Q2. So the Wall Street expects 0.79 earning per share. Here is 0.79 expectation. And the revenue is 12.58 billion revenue. So if Netflix beats again, this stock moves significantly higher. And the signal 3, my momentum swing score still 75 out of 100. I run this score this morning again and the momentum hasn't changed. The system still says this stock is going higher. So 3 signals, all pointing the same direction, and that's why I am holding it. So the risk. So let me tell you the risk factor. Let me be completely transparent with you because this is the proof record and the proof record shows everything. So options traders usually pricing 8% move Netflix after the earning today. Either way, it might be going up or going down. So if the stock goes down, it's going to be around like 8% goes down. It's going to be going around like $70, like almost my support level, maybe $68. But there is another strong support level if it breaks down to 70, which is the $60. And when it comes here, if Netflix missed earning and the stock dive in and it's gonna hit to like $60, another strong support zone, actually there is a very strong dollar cost average opportunity we can get there. So I am not pretend there's no risk. Of course there's a risk and I am choosing to take it because of the data supports upside case. But you are the witness and you should see the full picture, not just the bullish case here. So I did some sensitivity analysis and this is my complete scenario map for today. So scenario 1, if Netflix beat earnings today, I am hoping that that green circle will be around here or maybe above, and stock moves around $82 to $85. Maybe even it's going to go beyond that level. Maybe it's going to beyond that level. Maybe we will see the 93. Maybe it's going to be my second price target. I can exit and I can reach my first target, even beyond my first target, and I can close the trade. Again, I buy that one July 6, and the price was $76.15. Scenario 2, Netflix meet the expectation. So that green circle may be around here inside of it. And the stock is remaining around the $76 range, where is my entry point. And I can reassess and make a decision, hold or exit in the break-even level. Scenario 3, Netflix misses and stock drops to around here, $70 or $68. Little bit go break the strong support level here. I can exit it, I can take a loss, and I can move on. And scenario 4, Netflix misses badly. Stock breaks below 70 and is go around here, around $60 level. So when it happens, the Netflix will hit to extremely oversold territory. And so that's a very strong dollar cost average opportunity. The same strategy that work on RMD and ISRG. If you don't watch those videos, please watch it and you will fully understand what exactly I mean. 4 scenarios, clear action for each one. That is not a gambling, that's the plan. So quick question for you. Would you hold Netflix through earnings or exit before the report? Drop your answers in the comment section below. I read every single one and I will reply it. So tomorrow morning, I post the result. Whatever happens, win, loss, or DCA opportunity, everything goes on the proof record. Nothing hidden, you are the witness. Subscribe so you don't miss the Netflix earning result video. This is the trade number 35, and tomorrow we find out if holding through earning was the right call or not. No hype here, no promises, just the system and the proof. See you next time. Bye.